In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a SmarTrip card to your Google Wallet seamlessly. Let's dive straight into it and ensure you have a smooth journey setting this up. If you haven't already, open your Google Wallet on your device. This is where you'll be managing your transit passes, making it a convenient digital way to keep track of all your travel essentials. Once you're inside Google Wallet, look for the Add to Wallet option. This is your gateway to adding various items such as debit cards, gift cards, and more. But for today, we're focusing on transit passes, and specifically the SmarTrip card. So go ahead and click on Add to Wallet. Now, navigate through the list and select Transit Pass. This is designed to cater to all your public transport needs, ensuring you never have to fumble through physical cards again. In the search bar, type SmarTrip. Once you see it pop up, simply click on it. You're doing great so far, and the next step is just as easy. Hitting Continue will take you to a new screen where you have a few options to choose from. First, let's talk about adding funds. When you click on Money, you can easily select an amount that best suits your traveling requirements. Maybe a weekly amount or monthly refill, whatever works for your commuting pattern. Once you have your preferred amount, select it and you're ready to go. Alternatively, if you're interested in different transit services or passes, you can click on Pass. This will allow you to choose from various transit agencies and select the passes that suit your travel needs. It's handy if you're exploring savings, discounts, or other agency-specific offers that might benefit you. Now, what if you already have a physical SmarTrip card and wish to convert it to digital? Google Wallet has made it simple for you. You can seamlessly take your existing SmarTrip card and with just a few taps, convert it into a digital pass. This is especially useful if you tend to lose track of physical cards or are keen to streamline everything into one app for convenience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding and managing your SmarTrip card in Google Wallet. This digital approach not only ensures you're never without a transit pass, but also simplifies your daily commute. Keep these instructions handy as you navigate through the process and feel free to explore the other features Google Wallet offers. Until next time, enjoy your hassle-free commutes and the wonders of seamless, paperless travel.